Today, I'll show you how to get Klaviyo certification. Whether you're a digital marketer looking to enhance your skills or someone new to the world of email marketing, getting certified by Klaviyo can be a significant step forward in your career. Klaviyo is a leading marketing automation platform that enables businesses to send personalized emails, SMS, and more. By getting certified, you're not only proving your expertise but also opening doors to new opportunities. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to Klaviyo Academy. This is the learning hub where you can access all the resources you need to become well-versed with Klaviyo's features and functionalities. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account. This step is crucial because all your progress and certifications will be tracked through your account. Simply go to their website, find the sign-up option, and fill in the necessary details. Make sure to use an active email address as you'll receive confirmation and communication through it. Once you have your account set up, take a moment to explore the platform. Klaviyo Academy offers a comprehensive range of courses and certifications tailored to different skill levels and interests. Whether you are looking to master the basics or dive into more advanced topics, there's likely a course that fits your needs. You'll notice that the courses are well structured, with a series of video tutorials, quizzes, and practical exercises designed to reinforce your learning. Now it's time to browse the certifications available. Klaviyo offers various certifications, each focusing on different aspects of marketing automation. These certifications are a great way to showcase your expertise in specific areas such as email marketing, SMS strategies, or data analysis. Each certification course will provide in-depth knowledge, and passing the test at the end will earn you a certification badge. This badge is not just a symbol of your achievement, but can also be shared on professional platforms like LinkedIn, enhancing your professional profile. As you explore the certification options, consider starting with the courses that align with your current skills and career goals. If you are new to Klaviyo, you might want to begin with the introductory courses to build a solid foundation. For those who are already familiar with the basics, there are more specialized certifications that delve into advanced strategies and tools. Whichever path you choose, ensure to take notes and engage with the course materials fully. Remember, the key to effective learning is consistency and practice. Dedicate regular time to go through the courses and complete the exercises. This will not only help you retain the information better, but also prepare you for the certification tests. Klaviyo Academy often updates its courses, so it's a good idea to keep an eye out for any new material that can further enhance your knowledge. In conclusion, obtaining a Klaviyo certification is a valuable investment in your professional development. It demonstrates your commitment to mastering marketing automation, a skill that is highly sought after in today's digital landscape. By following these steps, you are well on your way to becoming a certified Klaviyo expert. So, why wait? Start your certification journey today and unlock new opportunities in the world of marketing automation. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your certification path.